jetzt schön Wetter ist, putze ich halt die blöden Fenster.
Ja, also wenn ich so raus schaue.
As the inclined viewer may have noticed, we don't really like to clean the windows. But if you think every day, what a fog, you know the time has come. And by the way, that's something that also distinguishes traveling from vacation. Travel not only usually takes a little longer, which is nice, but unfortunately also includes such annoying things as cleaning. We are often asked whether long-term traveling is always fun, and it really is like this. 95% of the time it is fun, but you have to get through the other 5% as well, with cleaning, for example. Basically, cleaning windows is one of our favorite side jobs, since Peter can then draw from the full, get the big ladder out and climb up and down diligently. Meanwhile, I'm having fun indoors, as of course we want a complete view of the windows. Oh, how wonderful it is to spend the entire afternoon grooming the look-through windows when the sun is shining beautifully. The driver's cabin windows are the only panes that really matter, because there our cameras need a clear view for filming and taking pictures. At this point, many thanks to the birds for their legacies. The windows are pretty heavy, and unfortunately my arms are too short to reach over the kitchen cupboards. But Mrs. knows how to help herself.
Boah, ist das dreckig.
Hey, das Fenster ist natürlich so am meisten offen.
Ja, ist klar. Aber trotzdem, es ist schon... Du musst mir schnell helfen, ich schaff's nicht. Danke.
And the window right by the stove is anyway so greasy and dirty always, so it brings joy when cleaning. In order to clean the reversing camera, the ladder must be fully extended, and 3.70 meters is pretty high. I'm glad that I don't have to climb up there. During this procedure, I have the honorable task of moving the camera in the front of the cabin from far to close and vice versa, so that both lenses can really be cleaned. After all, men want to see something when reversing. And as if this whole window cleaning was not enough, the ladder has to bite the dust too. You might think we are really totally crazy, but unfortunately this is a bitter necessity. If you don't clean the telescopic ladders properly, they get jammed completely and can hardly be pushed together again. If you thought now it's good, now we can treat ourselves to a little beer or a nice wine, you are definitely mistaken. Once Peter is in full swing, you can hardly stop him, which means nothing else than that the roof with a solar panel and the roof windows are also spoiled by his caring hands. Indeed, I think clean solar cells are quite good. You can just tell that they are performing better again. And a clean garret window is also great for stargazing at night. Only when it's full moon, the window could be a little dirtier without problem. That's another story. In any case, we have a full view again and are glad that we have such a nice large roof window, because it is relatively easy for Peter to climb up on the roof to pursue his third favorite hobby after truck driving and photography.